We're here with David Saunders today, President and CEO of Compliance Safety Systems. And of course, David's life is all about CSA 2010 right now and directing those issues. But there's a very pressing issue out there right now in regards to changing the 5-panel to the 7-panel on the DOT test. Dave, would you please give us some impact on what do you think that's going to do to the industry and other thoughts you might have?
Well, the 7-panel drug screen, it enhances and expands the current 5-panel. A panel is identified as a drug that they're actually testing for. And the purpose for that expansion of the panel came from Human Health Services, really had nothing to do unrelated to CSA 2010, was the fact that there are many contributing factors to the kinds of drugs or what contribute to a drug that are taken. And so what happens is the laboratories in the past have been under scrutiny on how to test for that drug and how to report that drug out. So what happened was August the 16th, where they released the fact that they'll be expanding that drug panel testing for the laboratories. And this is a significant impact to the industry. One, because in the first time in the history, actually, of the drug testing since 1988, they've expanded 2 additional panels to include ecstasy and heroin. So what happens in a nutshell is that what used to come through a laboratory is, say, a full syringe of heroin, only a part of it was getting reported out, and now it'll be a full syringe. That's the best way I know how to describe it. So there were drugs coming through the testing section of the laboratory, but under a federal mandate, they weren't allowed to report all of it out, regardless, even though the MRO could report it out as a positive. It never got reported to the MRO because it wasn't allowed to be tested for. And that's what is changing, and that goes in effect October 1st.